Truth has prevailed, Satyamev Jayate were the words that Indian billionaire Gautam Adani tweeted after the Supreme Court delivered its verdict on the Hindenburg issue on Wednesday. It was quite a big day for the Adani Group as the Hindenburg issue had turned 2023 quite topsy-turvy for the conglomerate. The three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra delivered the judgment on January 3, 2024. Let's take a look at what the Supreme Court said on the matter. The Supreme Court dismissed a petition that sought the transfer of an investigation from the SEBI to an SIT. It added that the facts of the case do not warrant the transfer of the probe to a special investigation team or other probe agency. The apex court also said that there is no ground to transfer the case to the CBI and that the power to transfer an investigation must be only exercised under exceptional circumstances. The bench said that SEBI has completed investigation in 20 out of 22 matters and asked the market regulator to complete the probe into Hindenburg allegations within 3 months. The court also ruled that there were no valid grounds to direct SEBI to revoke its amendments on the foreign portfolio investors and listing obligations and disclosure requirement regulations, as these regulations do not have any flaws. The judgment also said that the government and the SEBI would look into infractions of the law, if any, by Hindenburg on short selling and take actions in accordance with the law. A report by the Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project or OCCRP in August alleged that business partners of the Adani family made large investments in its shares through opaque Mauritius funds. Following this, the group lost nearly 35,200 crore rupees in market cap. On this matter, the court held that OCCRP's report cannot be taken into account to doubt SEBI's investigation into allegations. Further, CJI said that investigative reports by the press or third parties can act as inputs for SEBI but cannot be taken as credible evidence of regulatory failure. It cannot cast doubt on the investigation being carried out by a regulatory body. After the verdict came out, Gautam Adani tweeted on X and said that truth has prevailed, Satyamev Jayate. I am grateful to those who stood by us. Our humble contribution to India's growth story will continue. The stocks of Adani Group rallied up to 10% and the group's market cap also crossed the 15 lakh crore rupees mark. In the 10-pack group of stocks, Adani Energy Solutions was the top gainer as it shot up to 10%, while Adani Total Gas and NDTV were up around 8 to 9% each. Shares of Adani Green Energy, Adani Wilmar, Adani Enterprises and Adani Power were trading 5 to 6% higher. Adani Ports was up 3%. Since the Hindenburg report was released on Jan 24th last year, Adani stocks have seen a roller coaster ride. At one point last year, the combined market cap of all 10 Adani stocks had fallen to less than half. Still, it gradually recovered following a series of positive news, including investment by GQG partners.